everyone, and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to size your design for the 20-ounce tumbler. If you're anything like I was when I first started doing skinny tumblers or sublimation in general, I was completely lost. So I had to play around with a lot of things and figure it out myself. So today, I hope this video helps someone out. But I'll be using Canva, which is 100% free. However, you can choose to get the Pro account, which is what I have, because with the Pro account there's a million more options and designs and things that you can use. The tumblers that I use, I'll leave the link somewhere in the video, near the video. I purchased them from Amazon. They are the 20-ounce skinny tumblers. They work perfectly. The designs come out bright. So yeah, let's get started. So once you go into the canva.com, you'll click here at create a design. Once you click create a design, we come down here to custom size here. If this is your first time creating a design for the 20-ounce tumbler, make sure you change this to inches so it'll come out right. So mine is already in here. For the PYD Life tumblers, it's 9.3 by 7.9. So we'll go ahead and click that. Once our page loads, here on the left hand side, you'll see the tab here that says uploads. Now, I've already uploaded quite a few designs in here because I do tumblers quite often. If you need to upload a design, you'll just click upload files here and it'll pull up everything, your files that you have on your computer, and you can upload it. But for today, for the sake of this video, we'll just pick a design. So we'll go here with this one. So what we'll do, what I do is once I get the design into my space, I put it over to the left side and pull it down to the right so we can get it sized into the picture. Alright, so now we have our design here. And everything looks okay to me. Now, when you're printing out for sublimation, if you just download it this way, it's going to print out exactly how you see it on the screen. And when you put it on the image on the cup, it's going to come out backwards. So in order to make sure it comes out the correct way, you click on your picture. And here, where it says flip, we're going to flip horizontal. And now we're ready to download our file. So we can print it out. And on the next video, I'll show you the settings that I use for this 20-ounce skinny tumbler for PYD, so the image will come out the perfect size. So then we go here to share. And then you click the download. And you download your file. And it'll go to wherever your files go to on your computer, and then you'll be ready to print. So join me on the next video and I'll show you the settings that I use to print, and then we'll do a video on how to apply it to the cup. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.